Hey Salta students, we are at the very beginning of the lower Piledriver section. The culverts are just behind me, and we are setting the first trap down here. So as you can see, we've got our row in the bag, and this is the sticky, icky part. We get to smell like fish all day. But we set the traps on the lower section just like we do on the upper section. The difference is that we only put one trap at each site, because it's a longer stretch of rivers. There's lots of different sites. This is our first one. Oh, also we're in a canoe. It's a little different than being on the road. So it's a little more balancing when we're setting the traps. Otherwise, exactly the same thing that you guys do. As you can see, the water is really high. We think there's probably a series of beaver dams down there, and we'll go find out. These are some very fresh beaver sticks. You can see the fresh light color of the bark. You can even see the chew marks on them. So there's definitely a lot of beaver activity around here. We'll go investigate a little more. So here we are approaching the first significant beaver dam. You can tell we're in really deep water. This whole section behind me is deep. But this stuff, let's see, you can hear there's some water pouring over it. So we have to get over the dam, and we also have to figure out what it's made of and if it's blocking passage. So we'll do a little video from the other side, but this is what it looks like from the top, like you're about to go over a waterfall. This is a really big dam. David's 6 feet tall. This thing's probably 3.5, 4 feet tall. I'll go measure it. It is on the lower section of Piledriver, and this is one that we've been watching get built up over the years, but this is the biggest we've ever seen it. And we just saw a grayling in the water swimming around. There's definitely no passage because of this guy. Okay, we're in the section lower down on the slough, and there are a lot of fresh chews in these alders. Just noticing a bunch of them that look like that. And you can see the water's also, we're going under stick. The water's also pretty deep here. So I'm guessing we're about to see another beaver dam. Here is the second big lodge that we've seen today. You can see it's a big mound. It's on the bank. There's a lot of chews nearby, and you can also see the remnants of the winter feed pile. That's what we're kind of floating over right now. All these loose sticks. They're sticking up and chewed on in the winter. And now we want to look really carefully and see if there's active chewing and new growth on the lodge. Check it out. So this is a section of the slough that crosses where the power line is, and the utility company came through and cut all the brush that is underneath the power line to clear for the power line, but it also took out